Coil Vessel Ceramics class. You'll be creating a coil vessel made from coils. Coils are snake-like forms rolled out of clay. It's one of the oldest traditions of creating pots with clay. Vessels are containers. When you attach coils together, you need to score and slip them. Scoring is making X lines, and slip is a mixture of clay and water together. This will help your pieces stick together. To start, you're going to need to roll out a slab for a base for your coil vessel. Come up with a design for your coil vessel. The body of it can be shaped in lots of different forms. There are good shapes and there are bad shapes. Coils can be designed in regular snake shapes, spirals, zigzags, twists, braids, beads, and posts. The coil vessel you design can have added features such as handles and decorations. Here are some examples of some coil vessels where the width has changed in the body. This one has designs with open spaces. This one has a bottleneck shape. These ones are really detailed. Here's a funny looking one with lots of interesting curves and some other successful projects. First, we're going to sketch out our idea for our coil vessel. There are good shapes to make and bad shapes to make. The bad shapes tend to have too small of bases, or too wide of bodies, or too flat of bodies. The rim, the neck, the shoulder, the body, and the face of the coil vessel are all going to be an important part of designing it. You're going to start with a sheet of paper, fold it in half, hamburger style. Then on the folded side, you're going to mark 6 inches. Your vessel is going to be 6 inches height. Use a ruler to find 6 inches. Mark at the top and mark at the bottom. Then come up with an idea for one side of your vessel. This is how the body is going to be shaped. So think about the base should be flat. And then you can make the body move outward and inward. You can create a bottleneck. It's up to you. Darken your lines so they're nice and dark. Then you're going to fold your design in half and trace over that side. This will make a slight transfer to the other side. It's faint, so go ahead and darken your lines. And now you have a symmetrical vessel. The next thing you're going to do is create the pattern for your base, which you're going to cut in clay. You're going to measure from the halfway line to the end of your vessel. This is going to determine the radius of your circular base. My radius is 1 inch and 1/4. Now that I know the radius, I can create a circle with that same measurement. I'm going to flip over to the back side of my paper, and using the compass, I'm going to place it down. Notice that I'm looking at the 1R side, the 2R side. That refers to radius. I'm going to find the 1, and then I'm going to go 1/4 in, hold my finger on the center dot, drop my pencil in the 1/4 in, and spin around until I get a circle that is a 1 1/4 radius. This is now going to represent the base for my coil vessel. It'll also be my pattern. Flip back over to the other side, and I'm going to now sketch out the design using any of these combination of coil designs. Remember, the coils are going to be the size of your pinky finger thickness. So draw this project to size, pinky thickness. I'm going to add some spiral designs. Note they're pinky thickness. Another solid coil. a zigzag design, coil vessel must be max 6 inches and no shorter than 6 inches. The width cannot exceed 6 inches, but can be less than 6 inches. Have fun decorating, add a handle, add some extra designs, mix it up a little bit.